Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
And yes, you heard it right. Basta Radyo Ibandera mo. 107.1 News FM Olongapo. Welcome back, people. Final stretch of this radio show. You're still with DJ Tommy G para sa Bandera Night Jams. Magandang gabi. January 29, 2026 edition of this radio show. Okay? Couple of invites muna coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Pero bago yan, yung tawag ng tanghalan auditions will be happening. It's your time to shine, Olongapo City. Hold on to the golden microphone because tawag ng tanghalan by its showtime is coming to SM City Olongapo Central for an epic audition day. This will be on January 31, 2026. Auditions from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Doors open 8 a.m. The venue is at SM City Olongapo Central. Prepare your best song piece and bring your story of success. Okay? So no more hesitation. This is your moment to let Olongapo hear your voice and show what you've got. Okay? So datawag ng tanghalan auditions. Okay? January 31, Saturday, 10 a.m. at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And here are the invites for you now. Okay, coming from SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Do check out the Smack SM Store Fashion Sale. Extra 10% off on all items. All items, all right? Get extra 10% off on all items when you shop with your Smack or Smack Prestige at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown on January 31. It's just a one-day exclusive. January 31 lang, so you guys better hurry, huh? Or mark your calendars. I-reserve nyo na yung January 31. Yun lang yung official date. Okay? PhilKids Playgrounds. For kids to be kids. Swing high, laugh loud. Unlimited time and unlimited fun play all day. Big fun promo rates. Yung dating 1 hour, 220 pesos, now only 180 pesos. Okay? And the unlimited time before, 400 pesos, now only 300 pesos. Discounted prices. Okay? Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown ang PhilKids. Okay? Audio Eyewear's new basic frames are here with 12 designs across the BA32 and BA33 collections made for comfort, function, and everyday wear. Visit Audio Eyewear, SM City Olongapo Downtown and Central. Okay? So parehong meron dun, ha? Central and Downtown. And check out the SM Home Spectacular Weekend. SM Advantage Card and Smack Prestige members, your special weekend treat is here. Refresh your home for the new year this spectacular weekend. Enjoy up to 50% off on selected home items plus extra 5% off on over 60,000 home essentials when you shop using your Smack or Smack Prestige. January 30 to February 1 only. And the Ace Hardware Final Fix Sale. Your final chance to grab great finds for painting, cleaning, and organizing before the deal ends. Enjoy up to 50% off on selected items, plus get extra 10% off on a minimum 3,000 single receipt when you use your Smack and Ace Rewards card. January 30 to February 1 only. And the Lucky Feels. SM Supermalls brings together two of the most joyful occasions, Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day. All right? Check out the Lucky Feels Bazaar. Also the Lucky Feels installations for photography. Okay? Shop, snack, and play at Bites and Buys. And capture and snap the Lucky Feels. Also the CNY, Chinese New Year Must Try, Taste and Trend. All happening February 1 to 28. Okay? All days of February, that is. Feel the festive energy as Dragon and Lion dance performances led by a charming Dragon and Lion bring movement and music to the mall on February 17, February 20, 21, and 22. Lucky Feels at SM Supermalls. And the Sip and Win promo is ongoing until April 10. Coffee to the max means more chances to win. Get one e-raffle entry for every 500 pesos worth of single or accumulated purchase from all participating tenants. Join now, drink and spend, and get your chance to win a Suzuki Espresso GL. Ogawa, Philippines, make way for new habits and pump up your performance this 2026. The Master Drive IQ2 is built with AI technology and smart body scan system that can read your fatigue levels and recommend a perfect massage program to amplify your energy. Ogawa, Level 3 SM Central. Welcome 2026 with fresh, satisfying salads that make healthy eating feel easy and enjoyable. At Conti's ground level of SM City or Olongapo Central, fresh starts served daily. And Ideal Vision's 40-40 promo. Okay, frames as low as 40 pesos and up to 40% off on selected frames, lenses, and sunglasses. As we mark our 4 decades of clearer sight and greater confidence. Promo is from January 1 to January 31 only. Ideal Vision at SM Downtown and SM Central, okay? And check out unlimited chicken wings, unlimited rice, and super delicious flavors you'll keep coming back for. Perfect for barkada or family or anyone craving some serious comfort food at Wingyard Unlimited Wings, Level 2 of SM Downtown. And check out Our Homes, mattresses up to 80% off, furnitures and accessories up to 70% off, linens and carpets all on sale up to 70% off, 0% installment for 3 to 24 months. Great value as low as 9,999 and KX items 15% off. Free services for you. All right? Our Home, third level, SM Central. And lastly, visit the Sandwich Guy located at the 4th level near the SM Cinemas. Fresh, great tasting sandwiches. The home of the first hexagon sandwich is the Sandwich Guy at the 4th level of SM Central. All right, so those are the invites for you from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And don't forget the Tawag ng Tanghalan auditions. Once again, January 31. Okay? And speaking of Tawag ng Tanghalan, speaking of dreaming big, if you wanna dream big, gusto magtagumpay, simulan mo na dito sa Subic Bay Colleges, Inc. Kung pangarap mong maging negosyante, IT professional, tagapagtanggol ng batas, tourism leader, or hospitality expert, ito yung mga kursong magdadala sa iyo sa tagumpay. Mag-enroll na sa SBCI, BS Entrepreneurship, yan, BS Information Technology, BS Criminology, dun sa gustong maging tagapagtanggol ng batas, BS Tourism Management, and BS Hospitality Management. Okay? Hands-on learning, disiplinadong pagtuturo, tunay na paghahanda para sa trabaho at negosyo. Open enrollment. Okay? 2 and 3. Numbers 2 and 3, 18th Street, West Bac, Olongapo City from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You may also call or text 0920-2858-170. Kaya wag mong ipagpaliban ng pangarap mo. Simulan mo na ngayon mag-enroll sa SBCI. Subic Bay Colleges, Inc. Shaping minds, building futures, all right? And hatid sa inyo ng Radyo Bandera 107.1, ang pinaka-respetado sa news and current affairs. Keep listening to this station for updates and news about SBCI, okay? The offers of SBCI, that is, okay? And malapit dito sa Holy Spirit Village, yung Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok, Liempo at iba pa. Ayan, si Mang Tomas. Ini-invite kayo na mag-franchise, no? Check out the 1-year franchise for only 35,000, 3-year franchise 99,000 only, no royalty, no monthly fees, no profit sharing. You keep 100% of your sales, return of investment within 6 months depending on location and foot traffic, and it's DTI registered, of course. For inquiries, contact Mang Tomas. Mobile number 0960-379-5024. Yung Mang Tomas Lechon Manok Liempo at iba pa available dito sa meron dito sa may 7-Eleven. Okay? At Tabakuhan Elementary School, yung sa kabilang 7-Eleven. May 7-Eleven kasi banda rito, no? So, dalawa. Yeah. Okay? Also, check out their offer, Mang Tomas promo meal for only 99 pesos. Okay? You'll get plain rice, crispy fry pork chop, and chop suey. Wow! Sarap na combination yan. Busog na, sulit pa. For only 99 pesos, available at Mang Tomas. The food cart is there in front of 7-Eleven at the Balik-Balik Elementary School. And also yesterday, this is from Radyo Bandera, News FM Bandera Balita. Paglulungsad ng AI-powered Sangguni app or Sanggunian app application. Una sa lungsod ng Olongapo. This was yesterday. Pinangunahan ni Vice Mayor Kay Legaspi kasama ang miyembro ng Sangguniang Panglungsod ng Olongapo ang paglulunsad ng Sangguni app. Isang AI-powered na mobile at web-based na application sa SMX Convention Center, SM City, Olongapo Central kahapon to, no? January 28. Yan. Pasensya na, Vice Mayor Kate, hindi ako nakarating. Birthday kasi ni Bunso kahapon, nasabay no? Di mo naman sinabi, sasabay mo pala. Okay, pasensya na. Yan, okay. But anyways, ang Sangguni app ay kauna-unahang ganitong uri sa lungsod, ha? Na nilikha upang mas maayos ang proseso ng paggawa ng batas at hikayatin ang mas malawak na partisipasyon ng publiko sa lokal na pamahalaan. Layunin ng platform na gawing mas transparent, accessible at mabilis ang mga proseso ng konseho at mabigyan ng mga residente ng impormasyon sa mga usaping pampamahalaan. Okay? Opisyal na inilunsad ang web version ng app at maa-access sa gapo.app. Okay, just look it up. You can Google it. Gapo.app, app. Habang ang Android at iOS versions ay inaasahang ilalabas na sa mga susunod na linggo. Magkakaroon ng nung iOS version tsaka Android. So ito, ida-download na lang ba sa Yeah, I think so. Usually naman for apps ganun dina-download sa Play Store. Ayan, Google Play Store. Nagbigay ng video message si Mayor Roland C. Paulino Jr. upang batiin ang Sangguniang Panglusod, ang development team at lahat ng kasangkot. Binanggit niya ang kahalagahan ng inobasyon sa pagpapalakas ng serbisyo publiko at pakikilahok ng mamamayan. Ipinakita ni Vice Mayor Legaspi ang mga tampok ng app kasunod ng presentasyon ng developer team lead na si Aurel Ross. Nang tanungin tungkol sa gastos, nilinaw ni Legaspi na ang app ay binigay bilang donasyon sa Office of the Vice Mayor at walang ginastos ang lungsod sa pag-develop nito. Ang maliit na gastos para sa maintenance ay sakop ng tanggapan ng Vice Alcalde o pondo ng yung maintenance na lang, no? Pero yung app binigay. Alam mo, minsan nga, buti nga, bigay lang no? Yun ang magandang balita dyan masingit ko lang. May mga app na, alam mo na, grabe, pinondohan ng malaki. Pero, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung kailangan para gawin yung app na yun, di ba? Meron may mga ganyan, Hanapin nyo, saliksikin nyo, di ba? Ayoko na lang ituro sa inyo, baka sabihin, tina-target ko sila, mabalik tayo sa balita. Okay. Hindi ito yung app na tinutukoy ko, May mga app na, alam mo yun, dinevelop. Government din, syempre. Ibang lugar, no? Grabe yung ipinundo para sa app na yun, di ba? Yung mga iba-iba yun, hindi lang isang klase. Pero hindi ito yun, Hindi ito yung tinutukoy ko. Balik tayo dito sa balitang to. Ipinahayag din na magkakaroon ng mga bagong features sa mga susunod na linggo, kabilang ang pagpapadali ng paggamit para sa senior citizens at PWDs. May plano rin itong gawing formal na bahagi ng lungsod sa pamamagitan ng pag-turnover sa city government pagkatapos makumpleto ang development at maipasa ang kaukulang ordinansa. Dumalo rin ang Radyo Bandera News Team. Yan, yung news team natin pumunta doon. Sayang hindi ako nakapunta. Sa paanyaya ng Office of the Vice Mayor upang masakop ang makasaysayang paglulunsad at maibahagi sa mga tagapakinig ang hakbang ng Olongapo City patungo sa digital na pamahalaan. Oh, maganda tong yung mga app na ganito. May technology na rin lang tayo, may internet tayo. Bakit hindi natin i-fully utilize to? Tama nga naman, di ba? Kunyari, may gusto kang malaman kung ano yung next na session ng sanggunian. O, puntahan mo yung app na yon, di ba? O ano yung huling batas na pinanukala, ano yung huling batas na tinalakay, ano yung huling batas na inaprubahan. Nandoon lahat yan, di ba? Kaya nga Sangguni app. Anything and everything that has to do with the Sangguniang Panglungsod, no? Okay? Ayan, so great job sa Sangguni app na to ha. Mapapadali yung yung mga kailangan nating malaman, no? Sana lahat ganyan bawat office. Halimbawa pwede pang i-apply to sa bawat no. Well, eto malaki na isakop nito, buong lungsod na ng Olongapo no. Ayan, pwede rin sa bawat bayan, di ba? Okay? Pwede rin may ganito sa bawat probinsya, di ba? The Sangguniang okay, di ba? Hindi naman sa pinapangunahan ko, no? Pero what I mean is, let's fully utilize technology. Nandiyan na rin lang para sa atin yan, di ba? Gamitin natin, no? Okay? Well, nowadays, meron naman na yan, no? Ang SSS, meron na yan. Ang GSIS, may mga app na ganyan na. Ang the government, di ba? .gov.ph, di ba? Pero yung app, ang tinutukoy ko, no? Mas madali kasi, it's better in the app, no? It's so much quicker, faster in the app. Okay?